Let's dive into the world of control flow in Rust. Control flow is the backbone of any programming language, dictating how decisions and loops are handled within our code. In Rust, mastering control flow is crucial for writing logical, efficient, and maintainable programs. Whether you're dealing with conditional statements or loops, a strong grasp of control flow principles helps in shaping the behavior of your code, ultimately making it more robust and understandable. Building on the importance of control flow, let's delve into the common challenges that Rust developers face. One significant issue is crafting inefficient loops that can lead to performance bottlenecks. Additionally, confusing conditionals can obscure the logic, making code hard to understand and maintain. Rust's strict syntax helps mitigate some of these problems, but it still requires careful attention. By recognizing these pitfalls, developers can write cleaner, more efficient code. Now that we've identified common pitfalls, let's explore how Rust's unique features offer solutions. With pattern matching, Rust allows for more readable and efficient handling of conditions, cutting down verbose if-else chains. Additionally, loop labels provide clarity in nested loops, making them more manageable and less error-prone. These tools empower developers to write logical, maintainable, and efficient code, turning potential challenges into powerful opportunities. Now, let's bring these concepts to life with concrete examples that illustrate how Rust handles control flow. We'll start with a simple if-else statement, deciding behaviors based on a number's value. Next, the match expression offers a cleaner alternative for multiple conditions. Loop constructs in Rust, like for, while, and loop with labels, reveal how iterations can be handled efficiently. These examples demonstrate the elegance and power of Rust's control flow, making your code concise and readable. Building on our earlier examples, let's delve into best practices that can transform the way you write Rust code. First, prefer using match expressions over long if-else chains. This makes your code not only succinct, but also clearer. Avoid infinite loops unless they're intentionally controlled, as they can lead to unexpected behavior and difficult debugging. By leveraging enums, you can create a more understandable and maintainable code base for complex conditions, such as in state management. These strategies will enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your Rust programs. And there you have it. By mastering Rust's control flow, you've taken a big step towards writing efficient and maintainable code. Remember to use match expressions for clarity, avoid unnecessary infinite loops, and leverage enums for cleaner logic. As you practice these techniques, I encourage you to share your experiences or any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.